Welcome to our grand tour of Drawerlister. Drawerlister is an easy-to-navigate, menu-driven program. Drawerlister is also data-driven, data which you will supply. I want you to begin to think of Drawerlister as a repository retaining records of all of your customers, drawer box types, other items you manufacture or sell that pertain to your drawer business, pricing, jobs, job tracking, job reports, quotes, invoicing, management reports, all within Drawerlister, all in one place. In addition, Drawerlister can dish out data to your QuickBooks accounting software. Now, to set up Drawerlister for your business, you will need to go into the Setup section and insert your company name, address, and also you can insert your company logo to have it appear on your invoices and acknowledgments. In Job Setup, you will see three main conventions that are used within Drawerlister: radio buttons, check boxes, and pull downs. Multiple choice, if you will. All of these choices to help you set up Drawerlister the way you do business. Here is where you will tell Drawerlister how you want your jobs priced, minimum invoice amount, discounts, and so on. You can also insert a message onto your invoices, acknowledgments, or price quotes. In Shop Settings, there are some other choices you need to make for setting up Drawerlister. In what form would you like your shop output, and to what precision would you like Drawerlister to bring its calculations down to? Now, let me show you how you will create your drawer box specifications within Drawerlister. As you can see, the easiest way to insert the sizing of your parts is just to go around the diagram and put in your sizes and your adjustments. And there you are. It's as easy as that. Now, here's where you will enter the materials that your company uses in your manufacturing process. You can enter and label these materials any way you like. Drawerlister isn't going to care how you list your materials or the number of materials. You can have as many as you want. In fact, an unlimited amount of materials. Box material, bottom material, front material. They can all be different. At this point, it would be worth mentioning the internal security that can be built into your Drawerlister. Drawerlister has an optional security module that, for a modest investment, will allow you to set up security clearances for your employees so that only individuals of your choosing will be able to make changes to your pricing structure, drawer specs, and so on. Be sure and ask us about the optional security module. The customer section of Drawerlister is like an electronic Rolodex. Here is where you will enter the email address for your customer to be able to send PDF invoices and acknowledgments by email. Here also you may set up your customer to export to QuickBooks, special tax considerations, and multiple shipping addresses. The Jobs section of Drawerlister starts with a list of all of your jobs. You can click on one of the jobs and edit it, or you can start a new job from this page. Let's start a new job. We're going to pick a customer from the customers we've entered into Drawerlister. You can either pick by customer name or number. To pick by name, you can either begin typing the name in and Drawerlister will search it out for you, and then you can pick it, or you can just search and pick. Now we need to determine what type of drawer we're going to make. We've already given Drawerlister all of our box styles, so we're going to go under Drawer ID and pick a box, a type of box, and then we're going to pick the material for our box from our listing of materials. Pick our material for the front and bottom and choose how the grain is going to run on the bottom, and choose the type of bottom mount we want, and our inset. If there's a finish, you would put it under finish, and notching, guides, scoops, tabs, edges, all are chosen here. In addition, we have a list of options, option 1 and 2, and this list is created by you that can be chosen at this time to put into any item on a job. Now we just go down the line and we enter each item and the amount of each. By the way, special pricing can also be done at the job level. We just pick D for drawer, put in our quantity, and we'll put in our width and our depth and our height. And now we'll go down the list and enter each item, putting in our item and the quantity. We'll put in our width, give it one more here, and you can see that Drawerlister stuck the height and depth in there for me for the last drawer I enter. That's because I have something called sticky height and sticky depth turned on. You can tell Drawerlister that you want to have these if you like, or if you don't want the number that it puts in automatically from the previous item, you can just overwrite it. Now all of these choices that we've made are from lists that we've created from within Drawerlister. All options created by you, so that Drawerlister will do business the way you're used to doing business. When you click on this button, you will see that there were many reports that were immediately created for our use when we made our job. Now, this is not the complete list of reports that are available from within Drawerlister. You're able to choose from a long list of reports and pick which ones your company wants to use. Many of these reports have small variations that were customized at one time or another to accommodate the needs of a specific customer. You're able to choose from this list the ones that best fit your needs and then select which reports to remove from the list your people will be choosing from. So back here, let's take a look at an acknowledgement, a drawer assembly list, and a sorted drawer parts list. There it is. Now, we'll go down and click on the preview button and take a look at these reports. Here's our acknowledgement. Your company name and logo would appear right here. And because this is an acknowledgement, there's a space for the customer to sign off on the job. That looks good. The assembly list and the sorted drawer parts list are sorted by differentiating characteristics, material, and so on, and listed by size, longest to shortest. And here's our sorted drawer box parts. Now, back in our listing of jobs, we'll click on the report button. And here is where you can email your invoices or acknowledgments to your customers. You just go over here and pick the format you want to use and click on the email button, and Drawerlister will grab your customer's email address out of your customer section and send it on to your email program to generate a new email with the report attached. If you choose, you may add a note to the email before it's sent. Drawerlister also has the ability to help you track your jobs as they move through your shop with our optional job tracking module. Be sure to ask us about this very useful optional feature. One more thing. From almost anywhere within Drawerlister, you have an online help file. By just hitting the F1 key on your keyboard, it will open either to help for the page you're on or take you to the index to guide you to your answer. Thank you for your time and letting me take you on this grand tour of Drawerlister. This is Rick, and I look forward to hearing from you as you consider this valuable investment for your drawer box manufacturing company.